Mohbad's death painful. Don't let me cry over my son, Prime Boy's mother cries out. The mother of Prime Boy, a close friend of late Nigerian rapper Iloreluwa Oloba, popularly known as Mohbad, has finally broken the silence over the detention of her son in relation to the rapper's death. On October 6, police disclosed that Mohbad's death was a result of mismanagement of an injury sustained after a physical fight with Prime Boy. Prime Boy, who was initially declared wanted by the police, is currently in detention and has been identified as one of the 5 key suspects in relation to Mohbad's death. Reacting to her son's arrest in a heartfelt TikTok video posted by Sheigo25, Prime Boy's mother cries out to Nigerians, reiterating her son's innocence in the tragic event surrounding the rapper's death. According to her, Mohbad and her son shared a deep bond since childhood and would never harm him in any way. She appealed to all mothers in the world to come to her aid, saying that she did not want to lose Prime Boy after losing Mohbad, whom she considered her son. She specifically called on popular Nigeria actress Iyabo Ojo, who has been vocal about the call for justice over Mohbad's death, to come to her aid. However, she appealed to Nigerians to exercise caution and avoid judging her son, insisting that all the allegations leveled against him are nothing but false claims. She said, "Good Nigerians and mothers, you are the ones I want to talk to. Please have mercy on me. Iyabo Ojo, you will not lose your children. Please come to my aid. I know you always speak the truth. Your intelligence will not be taken from you. It's Iya Prime Boy who is talking. I don't know anybody. That's why I taught my children how to be content. Please, I need your help to come to my rescue. Don't let me cry over my child. I don't have a child that can do something like that. Mohbad's death is even more painful to me and my child. I don't have a murderer in my family. Even Mohbad, whom you are talking about, used to live together with my children. You can go and ask. Even where I'm selling food outside, it is Mohbad who helped me fix the place for me. Is it the death of the same person that I or my child will be happy about? The time Mohbad wanted to start helping me is when they eliminated me. Please don't let them take Ibrahim, aka Prime Boy, away from me." Bankole Rashim, court sentenced ASP to death for murder. The Lagos High Court, sitting at the Tafewa Balewa Square on Lagos Island, on Monday sentenced the suspended Assistant Superintendent of Police Drambi Vandi, who killed a Lagos-based lawyer, Omobolale Rashim, to death by hanging. Justice Bironke Harrison sentenced the ASP after finding him guilty of the murder of the pregnant lawyer. Harrison held that the prosecution was able to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. The judge also held that the conviction shot the deceased at close range. Justice Harrison ordered the defendants to open his defense as a prima facie has been made against him. In this application on the non-case submission, Vandi had asked the court to dismiss the suit and discharge him, claiming that he had no case to answer. In his argument, the defense counsel Adotukubo Odutola told the court to note, among other things, that none of the eyewitnesses saw the defendants shot, at that the ballistic report of the gun allegedly fired expressly stated that the bullet could not be linked with any of the firearms recovered from the police officers at the scene. Odutola, who argued that the pathologist who testified mentioned that the bullet penetrated from the left through the armpit, while the prosecution stated that the deceased was shot in the chest. However, the prosecution, led by the Attorney General of Lagos State, Moyosoro Onigbanjo-san, had centered the argument and urged the defendants to defend himself, insisting that the prosecution had successfully made its case against him.
bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tòótọ́ ni mo ní bá sọ̀rọ̀ torí tí mo yẹ jáde o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú fún mi o Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bóyá ń lọ tó ń bọ̀ ọ̀nà òní dímọ̀ ẹ o ayé òní gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi o mo mọ̀ pé ó máa ń sọ òótọ́ ló máa ń sọ ayé òde ní gba ọpọlọ ẹ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi ìyá prime boy ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ o ìyá prime ní o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o mi ìfẹ́ mi ní ẹni tí o mi ní èèyàn mi ní ẹni kankan ọmọ àtàpátá dìde ni mí ìtorí ẹ̀ ni mo yẹ ká ọmọ mi ní bí èèyàn ṣe ní ìtẹ́lọ́rùn gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ní ṣóyè yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run mo nídìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ má jẹ́ fojú sunkún ọmọ mi ẹ má jẹ́ káráyé di ẹrù tí ò ṣe tèmi lé mi lórí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú fún mi igi àkọ́ṣẹ́ mi ní prime jẹ́ ẹ má jẹ́ fojú sunkún ẹ má yẹ kọ́ fọmọ mi dígun ẹ jọ̀ọ́ I'm sad ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo nídìí ìrànlọ́wọ́ yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ní fojú sunkún ọmọ yóò ní jẹ ẹni tán wọ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mi ìná ọmọ tó lè ṣe orúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nítorí mo bá di gangan ikú ẹ̀dùn èmi gangan àti Ibrahim gangan fún ara mi ikú ẹ̀dùn àwọn méjèèjì kò sẹ́ni tó lè ràn wọ́n mi lọ́wọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi torí Ọlọ́run ẹ má yẹ kí fojú sunkún ọmọ ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi o ìrẹsì ni mò ń tà o mi kọjá àyè mi o ẹnu ọ̀nà lèmi dẹ̀ ni mo ti ń tà ọmọ mi ò kọjá àyè mu mi ìlẹ́ni tó ń pààyàn nínú ìran mi mo bá ní tẹ́lẹ̀ ń sọ yìí èmi àti ẹ̀lájọ́ gbé pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ mi ẹ lọ béèrè kẹwàá ságbó wa kẹwàá béèrè èmi àti wọn ní 24 hours lájọ máa wà bí ibi tí mo ti ń ta oúnjẹ ń ta bí mo bá ní ló kàn bẹ̀ fún mi ìgbà káfíńtà òun ló kàn bẹ̀ fún mi òun àtàwọn Ibrahim lọ́jọ́ kàn bẹ̀ fún mi ẹjọ́ ṣe kú ọmọ náà ló máa wúlò fún mi àbí Ibrahim ló fẹ́ wúlò fún àwọn èèyàn ti fi Mohbad dá mi lóró wọn jẹ́ kí n jèrè ẹ wọn jẹ́ jèrè iṣẹ́ wàhálà tó mo ṣe lórí ẹ̀ tó ṣe àsìkò tó fẹ́ máa ràn mí lọ́wọ́ òun náà mú Mohbad kúrò ẹ má jọ tún gba Ibrahim lọ́wọ́ mi ẹjọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kó gba Ibrahim lọ́wọ́ mi ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ẹ ṣàánú mi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ prime ẹjọ́ o Amsat àti ẹjọ́ ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi o Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹjọ́ ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi ẹjọ́ ara yóò ní gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹjọ́ ẹ ṣàánú mi lórí Ibrahim ẹjọ́ o obìnrin yìí o mo pè yín omi ìnẹ́nì kankan mi ò ní ìyá mọ́ mi ní bàbá kò sí olówó kankan nínú ìran mi eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ti pọ̀ jọjọ orí mi lọ ju omi ní agbára kankan Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí n jẹ gbèsè gbogbo àwọn ọjọ́ lọ́jà tí mo lọ ń gbà gbèsè tí wọ́n ní ẹ ṣàánú mi ẹ má yẹ kó gbọmọ mi o ẹ ṣàánú mi ẹ fojú àánú wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ní fojú sunkún ọmọ ẹ ṣàánú mi o mo pè yín ní o kẹ́lẹ̀ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin náà ní fojú sunkún ọmọ yín ara yóò ní jẹ́ ọmọ gbà mọ́ yín lọ ẹ má jẹ́ ọjà Ibrahim gbà mọ́ mi lọ́wọ́ igi àkọ́ṣẹ́ yóò ní wọ mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú mi ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún mi o Amsat àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó mo mọ̀ pé má ran àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún ìyá prime náà o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ lẹ́jọ́ ìrànlọ́rọ̀ ní di ti yín o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣàánú mi o ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ mọ́wọ́ tẹ́ mẹ́sẹ̀ ara yóò ní dìmọ̀ yín o ẹ ṣàánú mi torí Ọlọ́run ẹ má jẹ́ kára ebi tìbí ọmọ mú mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o wọ́n ti gba Mohbad lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ má yẹ kó tún gba prime boy lọ́wọ́ mi ẹ ṣàánú mi